I've been in recruiting for about 5 years now, and I've placed entry-level people, I've placed executives, and so I now use that knowledge to help people who are looking for jobs to make sure that they have the right information and they can make their job search efforts as effective as they possibly can so that they can reach their goals faster.
A job search is just such a scary thing, I think, for a lot of people. Something like this is hugely valuable, especially to a group of young professionals.
It was fascinating to learn about just the different places where your resume will go or where your applications will go.
Your data is going out to lots of places you wouldn't expect. So if the words aren't on the page when you hit submit with your resume, you're never going to get the interview, and in fact you'll probably be one of the 75% of people who are automatically rejected by the computer program before anyone sees your application.
This is definitely one of the better sessions I've gone through and been able to kind of build a lot more knowledge around the recruiting area.
Kind of sparked like maybe I should look at updating some things.
I don't know if we're talking about a scale, but if it was a scale from 1 to 10, I'd give it a 10. It's very insightful.